All right, welcome back. We want to continue from where we stopped, but today we also want to look at a fresh topic in mathematics for primary 5, our first term. And this topic is a multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers. So let's look at these examples here. 234 times 3. This one's supposed to be 125. 125 multiplied by 12. How do you go about it? If you are to solve this without using a calculator, perhaps you are not supposed to use calculator in primary 5. So how do you solve this without using a calculator? 234 times 3. You arrange it this way: 234 times 3. You put a 3 here. I multiply to your left, from your right to your left. 3 times 4 give you 12. You write 2 and carry 1. Put the 1 here. 3 times 3 gives you what? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Put down 0 and carry what? 1. Put the 1 here. 3 times 2 is what? Is 3 plus 1, 7. So your answer is 702. It's very simple and straightforward. So the second example, 125 times 12. 125 times 12. How do you write it? Where will you put down the 12? The 12 should come here, 2 should be here, 1 should be there. You start your arrangement from your right hand side, not from your left hand side. So you put your times here. Please carefully consider the positioning. 2 times 5, 10. You put down 0 and carry what? 1. Put the 1 here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. You see, I'm arranging my work. It should be directly under each number. 2 times 1 is 2. You are done with 2. You have multiplied 2 by these 3 digits. Let's multiply 1 by these by the digits now. 1 times 5 will give you what? 5. 1 times 2 gives you what? 2. And 1 times 1 will give you what? 1. You see the arrangement? So arranging your work very well in multiplication is very important, is key. So from here, I'm going to add. This first, second phase, we are going to add up these numbers. Bring down your 0. 5 plus 5 is what? 10. Write 0 and carry what? 1. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. And you write your 1. So your answer is what? 1,500. 1,500. So this is how we multiply 3-digit numbers. So remember, I told you in our last class that I'm going to give you a classwork or an assignment. So let's have the assignment. Multiply 204 by what? By 19. So do that and drop your answer in the comment section. So I'm going to stop here for today. See you in our next video. Bye.